But over here, the SEO score is a 45. I don't want a 45. I want closer to a 75, 80, 90, 100%. But it's telling me right here, you can see the score, tags in the title, description, 0 of 20. Tags in the title, 0 of 20. Tags in description, 5 of 20. Total tag characters, 20 of 20. Title words and description, 20 of 20. If I come down here to a little pencil editor, it says build the perfect searchable title. I go to get started. Turn that down. As I'm sitting here contenting my content and spreading it across all the platforms, I went back to my YouTube channel just to check on a couple things because I use an app called TubeBuddy, which helps the SEO, the ranking of YouTube videos. And I noticed something different. I thought, hey, you know what? As long as I'm going through this, I might as well show it to you. So let me share my screen and show you what I am working on here. This is my YouTube channel, and you see here this little highlighted is TubeBuddy, but I'm on my channel, so I come down here and I go to this new video I just posted up. I just posted, thing's got 7 views on it. I'm gonna pause it, but as you see on the screen on the right-hand side, it's loading. And TubeBuddy is giving me some Videolytics, as you see here, Videolytics. It's got 7 views, but over here, the SEO score is a 45. I don't want a 45. I want closer to a 75, 80, 90, 100%. But it's telling me right here, you can see the score, tags in the title, description, 0 of 20. Tags in the title, 0 of 20. Tags in description, 5 of 20. Total tag characters, 20 of 20. Title words and description, 20 of 20. If I come down here to a little pencil editor, it says build the perfect searchable title. I go to get started, and it's going to give me some pointers and tips. It comes over here, and it's telling me what? What's this telling me? Oh, it's loading up on the side here. There it goes. Build the perfect searchable video. What's the target word? Here is marketer, is my title word. I want to start. It's showing I've got it up here, marketer. I've got it in description. I've got it down here. Scores 95%. Marketer. Include keyword. Include your target keyword in the first 60 characters. It's in there. Include your target keyword naturally in the title. Yes. Include target word 200 characters in the description in your first 200 words. It's in there 3 times. Let's go to next. Marketer job, how to improve the score, 95. Target keyword, marketer growth, marketer magic. I can put that in there. I can take a couple out. Let's see, brand yourself. I'm going to take that out because I'm over. You see right here, you only get 500 tags in a YouTube video. It's telling me I've got over 500. I'm going to take a couple of these out that may not be pertinent. I'm going to take Brand, that's spelled wrong. I just saw Brady. That's supposed to be Brady Theodore. I'm going to take that out. You can see I'm down to 473. A marketer job, marketer growth, marketer magic tutorial I just placed in. How about marketer growth? Takes me up to 491. Include your target keyword as first tag. Add now. Add that, put it in the first. Now it's number 1. That's my keyword in my title, my description, and number 1 in tagging. Go next. Got marketer here, I got marketer. See, 100%. Man, I'm up on top on that over these videos. They all have marketers in there. So we're going to leave that. Thumbnail tip, use bright colors. I think I've got those, as you see. Ensure text is large enough to read on any device. I believe it is. Use font color shapes that are consistent with your brand. Oh, all of mine's semi-consistent. Go next. I'm not finished. Would you like to apply to your video? Plugin tags, okay, it's going to populate that. Say okay, optimization is successful. I come back over here, I'm going to refresh this, reload. And I'm going to check on, I'm going to go back to my page. I want to check on this video. I'll let this load up again.
You saw skateboarding.
Stop that. Now, what does the score say? Score 100%. And that's what TubeBuddy will do for you on your YouTube videos. Hey, if you want to use TubeBuddy, there is a free version. I'm going to leave that link in the description below. If you want to give it a shot, go right ahead. Of course, I have the paid version, has many, many more bells and whistles associated to it, but this is a great tool if you want to really get your videos up and seen through all the noise on YouTube. Anyway, that was it for today, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Watching or listening to me on video or on my podcast. If you gained any knowledge, any skills, motivation, if that little switch in your mind flicked and you said, hey, I can do that too, then follow me, Brady Theodore, the Gotti. I would like to tell you that, hey, I'm just a guy 60 plus years old. 4 years ago, I decided to learn some new skills and place myself in a position that I could have some financial freedom in my later years. Come to find out that with knowledge, I have done just that. I've learned that no matter what age you're at, if you put your mind to it, if you take the proper action and you follow the leaders, that anything is possible. Now, if you would like to see more of me, please go below, touch that link, follow me at bradythegotti.com. Thank you, God bless, and I'll see you on the inside.